Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do we claim night tokens once they thaw? Let's find out. Alright guys, the process is going to be pretty easy to do. Links to the website will be in the description below, and that website is midnight.gd. Once we do that, we are going to see right here, redeem from December 10th to December 4th, 2026. We're going to come here to the top right where it says redeem, and we are going to tap that. Once we are on this page, we're going to come right over here where it says redeem your night token. We are going to tap that, and it's going to bring you to this screen. It's going to ask, how do you want to claim your thawed night tokens? Connect the wallet, which is a web-based wallet, or entering it manually. Personally, since I did everything with my Ledger device, I am going to use the Eternal wallet. That is what I used when we were doing the scavenger mining. Me personally, it made life a lot easier. We do have a quick tutorial on how to set that up. We did that on the Midnight Scavenger Mining setup video, so we'll play that real quick. So if you don't know how to set it up, you will after this. Right now, and use the Eternal wallet, and I'm basically recording the majority of this video over again. So let's hit continue. So once we hit continue, we are going to get a pop-up right over here saying no DApp account set. So what we need to do is set up this Eternal wallet. Go to the Chrome store, make sure you download the correct wallet, the one that says eternal.io, add it on, and when you do, it should bring us to this page. It's going to have us enter a PIN, and then it's going to say how do we want to get our information over. We are going to connect to a hardware wallet. We are going to hit Ledger. Once we do that, we are going to hit next, export. It's going to have us confirm our wallet, connect, and now on the wallet itself, it is giving us this little pop-up saying confirm. Then it's going to have us confirm our wallet name. I'm just going to leave it defaulted, and we are officially over here. So assuming everything is correct right now, we are going to come back over here. Okay guys, for the essence of time, we sped up that video, but as you guys saw, pretty easy setup. Also, just as a quick heads up, it doesn't matter if you have a Keystone, Ledger, Trezor, one key, Eternal wallet works with multiple cold storage wallets, and if yours isn't supported, you have Lace and Yori available to you as well. So there's multiple options, all are going to work very similar. But now we're going to hit confirm. One of two things will happen when you hit confirm. If you use the Eternal wallet quite a bit, it will just load through. You're not going to see a confirmation needed. Other times you might see a little pop-up over here and you'll need to confirm the transaction so it can read everything. But this is the screen you want to take a look at. So for the upcoming thawing airdrop, it shows two wallets in front of me. Right now, both of them say redeemable 0 night tokens. However, in the top right-hand corner, we see over here for this wallet, which has 1,309 night token, the first batch of 25% allocation will thaw in 23 days, 19 hours, 12 minutes, and 20 seconds. Then we come over here to the second address. It's going to be a little bit different. This wallet contains 3,724 night tokens, and it is going to thaw in 34 days, 19 hours, 12 minutes. Once it is available, we can hit the redeem button. Again, it will probably have you approve a transaction from a pop-up in the top right-hand corner. It will probably have you connect your Ledger to confirm the transaction, so you'll need to have some Cardano in the wallet. But other than that, it's going to be a pretty easy process. And for one last quick little setup, I'm going to end the transaction real quick. Again, we're going to hit redeem and go to Yori, just so you know it isn't wallet specific. But as you see, this time I went through Yori. And the exact same thing, because it was linked to the Ledger, because these wallets are linked to my Ledger, all the transactions are there. So it really does make your life simple. So if you do happen to have an issue with one of these wallets, try another one. I know during the scavenger mining and original glacier drop, things got a little weird, a little awkward with everything. This is one of the hardest airdrops I've ever had to deal with. But there's multiple options out there for you, so don't fret. In theory, this should be a pretty easy process once these tokens start to thaw. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video and that it was helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.